to external stimuli, how babies react in the womb. Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring how babies in the womb respond to external stimuli such as sounds, light, and touch. We'll delve into the impact of these stimuli on fetal development and share practical tips for parents to interact with their unborn baby. Join us for an enlightening journey into prenatal experiences. Understanding fetal responses to external stimuli, enhancing prenatal development and bonding. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ayla, and today we're going to explore how fetuses respond to external stimuli like sounds, light, and touch. Understanding these responses can help you engage with your unborn baby and support their development. Let's start with how fetuses react to sounds. Fetal responses to sounds. From as early as 18 weeks, fetuses can hear sounds from outside the womb. By 24 weeks, their hearing is more developed, and they can respond to a range of noises. Here's how. 1. Reacting to voices. Fetuses can recognize and react to their mother's voice, which is soothing and familiar to them. They also respond to the voices of other family members, which can create early bonding. Music and rhythms. Playing gentle music can have a calming effect on the fetus. Rhythmic sounds, like a heartbeat or lullabies, can be particularly soothing and may influence the baby's post-birth preferences. Loud noises. Sudden loud sounds may startle the fetus, causing a noticeable movement or kick. Continuous exposure to loud noise should be avoided as it can cause stress. Fetal responses to light. Around the 28th week of pregnancy, fetuses start to respond to light. Here's how. Sensitivity to bright light. Fetuses can detect bright light and may turn their heads toward it, indicating early visual development. Shining a flashlight on the belly can elicit movement and curiosity from the baby. Light patterns. Exposing the fetus to different light patterns can stimulate visual development. However, moderation is key to avoid overstimulation. Fetal responses to touch. From about 20 weeks, fetuses begin to respond to touch. Here's how. Gentle touch and massages. Gentle rubbing or massaging the belly can soothe the fetus and encourage bonding. This can also stimulate the baby's sense of touch, aiding in their sensory development. Interaction through belly rubs. Responding to the baby's movements with gentle belly rubs can create a two-way interaction. It's a wonderful way for partners to connect with the unborn baby as well. Understanding the impact of these stimuli on fetal development is crucial. Let's delve into this now. Impact of external stimuli on fetal development. External stimuli play a significant role in shaping a baby's development. Here's how. Auditory development. Regular exposure to soothing sounds and voices helps develop the auditory system. It lays the foundation for language skills and emotional bonding after birth. Visual development. Light exposure helps develop the fetus's visual processing abilities. It prepares the baby for the light environment outside the womb. Tactile development. Touch stimulates the development of the nervous system. It enhances sensory perception, preparing the baby for physical interaction post-birth. Finally, here are some tips for parents to interact with their unborn baby and enhance these developmental benefits. Tips for parents to interact with their unborn baby. Talk and sing to your baby. Regularly talk and sing to your unborn baby to familiarize them with your voice. Encourage other family members to do the same to create early bonds. Play music. Play soft, calming music and observe how your baby responds. Create a playlist of soothing tunes to play regularly. Use gentle light. Occasionally shine a flashlight on your belly and watch for reactions. Ensure the light is not too bright or used excessively. Gentle touch. Rub and massage your belly gently to interact with your baby.